our channel, and today we have something new. We're going to be trying out Bullymake box. It's supposed to be for super chores. I started out with a 1 month subscription, and we're just going to go from there, guys. We're just going to get into it, guys. Let's see what Bullymake has in store. So we was doing Bark Box, and Lola was destroying all the toys. So
this said Bullymake box. July.
And once again, all right, what all it say?
It says this month we're celebrating sports around the globe. Your dog can help celebrate by chewing on this sturdy rubber globe hobby and ready to be filled with treats. Or if your pooch is in a more energetic mood, this toy will make the perfect ball for all sports. All sorts of exciting sports. What it look like on the inside?
Lola, you all over the place. Come here, Lola.
Okay.
Alright, let's see. We got them super chewer toys. Let's see. Alright. Come on. Alright.
Okay, we got Bullymake gold medals.
Alright. Go, Lola. Oh, Lola, ready. You ready, Lola? You say, give me the treats. Give me the treats.
And they look like fish.
Oh, here we go. Looks like a fish. That don't look like. Oh, okay, this way. There we go, Lola.
You don't like it?
Oh, yeah. And I can't even see you, Lola.
And next we got Bullymake boxing gloves. Okay, hold on.
Oh, so give me those treats.
See.
Lola, you sitting on my legs. Yeah. They can't see she's sitting on me.
Okay.
What else?
You like that? Next we have Bullymake pole walkthrough. Okay, and this is what it looks like here.
Oh my. I should keep turning around that video. Hope you liking it, guys. Licking up my floor. Great.
Okay, now on to the toys. We got this globe thing.
You put treats inside. You put a treat inside of there.
Yeah, and then we got this ping pong.
Put some in there. Put some in there.
Okay, let's see.
Let me see. Give me the smallest treat. And it's the smaller ones.
They're all the same size. But these.
That one's going All right, guys. So we have tried all the treats. Well, Lola tried all the treats from her Bullymake box, and she have 2 Super Chewer toys. And y'all just stay with us, guys. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.